Alright guys, we're going to show you how to use GSPRO down here at Four Seasons. So I'm going to screenshot this and I'm going to show you through how to get through it. You'll be able to see it on the big screen as well. So I'm going to double tap on the GSPRO logo right there. When it loads up, it's going to ask you to connect your device. We've got the Hawk right here. Set it to high, and then it's going to start linking in, and then a window is going to pop up where it's called the Connection Manager, and you're going to click on the Connection Manager and make sure you allocate your device to the software. So in this instance, I'm going to click on, it's dropping down because we've got a lot in here, but 2728 is our one. It's connected, it's showing here on the right. You can enable club data, so make it go green if you've got club data on your device, and then just minimize the screen. Don't exit out of it. Cool thing with GSPRO is you can go in, local match, download a club, say the Masters is Georgia Golf Club. Might have to download it if you don't have it. If you have downloaded it, then you just click on play. Then you can create a new player, write them in. Brad, add player. This one here, there's a lot of different players in here, so we can add in Kuza. If we wanted to add in, if we wanted to do a Ambrose, you make the team colors the same. So those two are green, yellow, sorry. These two are green, and then we're going to click on match settings, and we're going to do a scramble, which is the same as match play. Our tee box is, we're going to set to, shows you how long the course is. We're going to set it back to yellow, make it more fun. Course setup is, stimp is 7, which is quite fast. We're going to have putting assistance off, and we're going to have it on. Auto aim. Holes, we're going to play all of the holes, and we're going to have auto putt, which means auto putt is that as soon as you get on the green, it's going to give you your putt. You're not going to have to putt any. If you want to putt, which you can on our system, it's exact putting on the Foresight system, you can set it to gimmies here, which is 2 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, all the way up to a nice generous 20 feet. Say let's go in, we go head to the range. On Georgia you can go head to the range, which means you can do a little bit of a practice beforehand, which is nice. So Masters week comes in, this is a good course to play, because you're never going to be able to get to Augusta unless you have a membership, which is very restricted. So it's just loading up the course. So now we're on the range. So we can have a few hits. So after we've hit on the range, click on that head to the tee. Now Kuza's teed off. Brad's also going to tee off. Set in left-hand mode, so we'll set in right-hand mode, which is fine though. So now it chooses which one do you want to take. Do we want to take Kuza, who is 267 meters away from the pin, or Brad is 264 meters away from the pin. So in this case, we're going to use Brad's. Then it's the next team that's going to come up and play, which you've selected, and you put yellow. This is a sandwich. So we're just going to hit some sandwiches just to show you what we're doing. They were 91 meters. Then the next of the yellow team, we'll try and rip this one. Wow! And that one went 107 meters. Now it's going to ask, who do we want? Andrew, who's 247 meters away, or do we want Angela, who's 232 meters away? We're going to take Angela's. Use. Now it's up, and it's going to repeat. Exact same thing as Ambrose. And that's how you use Ambrose on GSPRO. Okay, so how you practice in GSPRO, which is a pretty cool feature. Click on the practice, go practice range. So it opens up to the regular range, so you can hit drivers, whatever you would like, to hit good old-fashioned shots. Let me give you your data. I don't have any dots on this club, so it's not going to show me my club data. But if we want to really jazz this up, we're going to go to, click on the top left, going to go dynamic holes, change it to an island green, and we're going to move that tee box about 95. And we can even make it so we can do it like that. So we've got a good old 95-meter shot, and that's right about in the range for this club. Hey! Hit the wall there. You can play some pretty cool shots, doing some workable shots. You can also randomize it, so we can really move around our shots. So we're going to go from 103, actually we're going to go from 71 to 103. We're going to apply that, and we're going to apply the style, which is island, random, which is on that. So now it's going to just randomize us a lot of shots. So from 83, that might not get there. Didn't, so I've got to work on that 83-meter shot. The next one, it's got me at 98. So that one a bit harder. It's pretty cool. Really helps you work on your game from different distances in real world shots.